Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys on my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys password and security setting. And today video title is guys how to remove Redmi mobile face lock. Friends, you don't want to use Redmi mobile face lock, you want to remove Redmi mobile face lock. So friends, now let's see how to remove Redmi mobile face lock one by one, step by step friends. We will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how to remove Redmi mobile face lock. Unlock your phone. After unlock your phone, open your device phone setting to remove face lock. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. In your Redmi mobile, scroll down here, open your phone password and security setting. After turn by phone password and security setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. Friends, click here face unlock setting. You have pin password, enter pin password. You have pattern password, so draw pattern. So friends, I will enter my password. Next, you can check your face lock data. Friends, you can see I have one face lock, and if you click here and if you tap here, so you can rename your face lock. Example friends, I will rename your face lock. Right click here, face lock will rename. Friends, if you click here add face data, so you can use two face lock in Redmi mobile. So once you want to use two face lock, you want to add one more face lock data, so you can add. Click here start option and you can add your face lock data, and you can use two face lock in Redmi mobile. And you don't want to use, click here back. So once you want to remove only face lock, so enter your password. After enter password, friends, click here face lock setting, delete face data now option, and OK option with face lock will remove in your Redmi mobile. After remove face lock friends, you can check on your lock screen. Face lock will not show. You cannot unlock your Redmi mobile with face lock. Enter password. You can unlock your Redmi mobile with password. Okay, again you want to use your face lock setting. You have your screen lock password. Without any problem, you can add your face lock data, enter your password, and you can unlock your phone with face lock. Again, if you click a start option, you can draw pattern, enter password, and after enter password wait for 5 and 10 seconds. Next option, click here show your face. You can add face lock data, and you can unlock your Redmi with face lock. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.